Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? Take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in bright white. It comes equipped with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel. There's only 30,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, comes with a dual pane panoramic sunroof, rear DVD system, a power liftgate, and it comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and so much more. For additional details, please visit us at marinocjd.com and search for stock number 47693B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.